Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Good to see you again. And today, I've done a little rearranging in the bar. If you can't tell, I cleaned things up a little bit. It was getting to be a little bit cluttered around here. But anyway, you know, when you're the Flamingo Chef and you see a bottle of tequila that has a flamingo on it, you kind of have to buy it. So I did a little research. I'd never had this brand, Insolito. Got pretty high reviews. I was kind of impressed. It is a celebrity-based product, a band out of Texas, apparently. Midland, I believe it is. Not the town, the band that partially owns this. Oh, that's a lovely, lovely aroma. I really like the look of the bottle. It's simple, but it has this kind of painted facade over it. This is the Reposado in the blue. The Añejo was red. And honestly, I don't remember what the Blanco was, but I wanted to start in the middle. So let's give this a taste. Very, very balanced aroma. It's not, you don't get hit in the face with agave, but you can still smell it. And there's a little bit of pepper smell in there as well. Oh, that's really good. So there's a strong pepper flavor, and you get that oak. Very, very balanced. Really nice bottle. You have the agave flavor, but it's not like it's just eating agave. This is good stuff. Highly recommended. Check me out online, kansasflamingochef.com. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to be making a bunch of tequila cocktails in the next few days. See you soon.